Looking for a European country with fast-growing job opportunities, easy work visa options, and a better cost of living than most of Europe? Lithuania might be your best bet in 2025. Stay with me as I break down everything you need to know to work and live in Lithuania: job opportunities, visa process, document checklist, and how you can get my personal help to make it happen. Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we break down international opportunities, visas, and everything you need to make your move abroad smooth and successful. Today's video is one of the most important ones, because Lithuania is rapidly becoming a top destination for foreign workers in Europe. I'll cover the jobs you can apply for, how to get the Lithuania Work Visa in 2025, documents you'll need, common mistakes to avoid, and at the end, I'll even explain how I can personally help you with your visa consultation if you need assistance. So, grab a pen, take notes, and let's dive right in. 1. Why Lithuania in 2025? Lithuania, located in Northern Europe, is one of the 3 Baltic states, alongside Latvia and Estonia. But why should you consider Lithuania in 2025? Economic growth. Lithuania's economy grew by over 2.5% in 2024, despite the global downturn. Worker shortages. The country is experiencing a massive shortage of skilled and unskilled workers across industries. EU membership. Lithuania is part of the European Union, meaning working there can be a stepping stone to other EU countries in the future. English-friendly environment. Many workplaces accept English-speaking employees, especially in IT, manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. Affordable living. Compared to Germany, France, or the Netherlands, Lithuania offers much lower living costs, but good salaries. Work-life balance. Lithuanians value a balance between career and personal life. Expect normal working hours and mandatory paid vacations. Lithuania is not just a temporary stop. Many foreigners end up getting a permanent residency and even Lithuanian citizenship over time. 2. Top jobs in demand in Lithuania for 2025. If you are wondering, will I even find a job there? The answer is yes. Here are the top industries and jobs in demand for foreigners: information technology, IT, software developers, system analysts, cybersecurity specialists, logistics and transportation, truck drivers, warehouse workers, supply chain managers, manufacturing and production, factory workers, welders, CNC machine operators, construction, electricians, carpenters, plumbers, healthcare, nurses, caregivers, medical technicians, hospitality and tourism, hotel staff, cooks and chefs, housekeepers. Education, English teachers, especially native or fluent English speakers. Agriculture, farm workers, greenhouse laborers, type. If you have experience plus basic English skills, or Russian-Polish, you will have higher chances of getting a job offer. 3. Types of Lithuania. Work visas. Lithuania offers several types of work visas. National long-term D visa for working over 90 days, valid for 1 year, renewable. Temporary residence permit, TRP, after D visa, allows long-term stay and work, valid initially for 1 to 2 years, EU Blue Card for highly qualified workers, IT, engineering, medical fields, easier path to permanent residency, seasonal work permit. For agriculture, tourism jobs, valid for up to 6 months. Important. Most applicants will first enter Lithuania with a D visa and then apply for a TRP once employed. 4. Step-by-step process for Lithuania Work Visa, 2025. Here's exactly how you can apply. 1. Get a job offer. Search for Lithuanian companies hiring foreign workers. Job portals like cvbankas.lt, cvonline.lt, and international platforms like LinkedIn are useful. 2. Employer applies for a work permit. Your employer submits an application to the Lithuanian Employment Service. 3. Receive work permit. Processing time? About 1 to 2 months. 4. Apply for a D-type visa. Submit documents at the Lithuanian embassy or consulate in your country. 5. Travel to Lithuania. After visa approval, you can enter Lithuania legally. 6. Apply for a temporary residence permit. Within Lithuania, apply at the Migration Department, Migris. 7. Start working legally. Pro tip: Some job offers may come with TRP sponsorship immediately. Always ask the employer beforehand. 5. Documents you'll need for Lithuania Work Visa. Prepare these documents carefully. Valid passport with at least 1 year validity, job offer letter, employment contract, work permit issued by the Employment Service, visa application form, passport-sized photos, as per specifications, proof of accommodation in Lithuania, health insurance policy valid in Lithuania, proof of sufficient financial means, educational qualification certificates, previous work experience letters, police clearance certificate, background check, payment of visa fee receipt, optional but recommended, motivation letter explaining why you want to work in Lithuania, CV, resume formatted in European style, Europass. 6. How long does it take? Work permit processing, 1 to 2 months. Visa processing, 15 to 45 working days. TRP processing, inside Lithuania, 2 to 4 months. So overall, plan for about 4-7 months from job application to full legal work status. 7. Common mistakes that lead to rejection. Incomplete documents, fake work experience or qualifications, employer without proper authorization, insufficient financial proof, invalid insurance coverage, criminal record issues. Advice: be 100% honest and transparent with your application. 8. Cost of living in Lithuania. Rent for 1-bedroom apartment, $300, $500, food and groceries, $150 to $250 per month. Transportation pass, $30 per month. Health insurance around $1,000 a year for basic coverage. Utilities, $80, $150 per month. Compared to Western Europe, these costs are very affordable, allowing you to save a good portion of your salary. 9. Can you bring your family? Yes. Once you get your temporary residence permit, you can sponsor spouse, children under 18. Family members can live, study, and in some cases even work in Lithuania. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about Lithuania Work Visa in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share with friends or family who might also be planning to move abroad. And importantly, if you need personal help with your Lithuania Work Visa, including job search guidance, document checking, or application filing, I do offer visa consultation services. Feel free to reach out to me using the contact details in the description box below. I can help you avoid mistakes, improve your chances of success, and even recommend trusted employers hiring international workers. Also, don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions. I personally reply to every comment and DM. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.